Make way, ladies. We got a code red.
Up there.
Oh, all right. Knew the ham and cheese would come back to bite me. Okay. Oh. Make way. I got the poo brew. Okay. Go on. Make way, we got a code brown. Oh. Alright, knew the ravioli would come back to bite me. Oh, clean up on aisle daddy, excuse me. Oh, all right. Well, I'm gonna skedaddle.
Let's go buy some food.
Oh, okay, it's breaching. I knew she'd be good. The Pantheon. Oh. All right, well. Son of a bee sting.